Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a flower with tissue paper. And if you don't know me, my name is Alishba. So this is how you make a flower with tissue paper. So you need tissue paper, you need scissors, and a piece of string. So what you're going to do is just get one tissue paper and you cut it in the middle. And you can make a lot of pieces with the tissue paper. So you cut it in the middle. Like this. You cut it in the middle. And then make more pieces like this. And make more pieces. There we go. We do this like that. We make a lot of pieces, so I'm going to show you guys when I'm done with that. So this is how it looks like. I made a lot of pieces, so then you just stock them like this, like that, and then you just fold them like that. Fold, 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 fold. Then it looks like this, and then you get a piece of string and you tie it like this. So I'm going to show you guys when I do that. So this is how it looks like, and then you're going to cut this part, and this is how it looks like when you're done making this flower. So yeah, so then you just cut this part. So so this is how it looks like, and then you're going to spread this like that. So yeah, like that. This is how it looks like, and then this is how it looks like, and then you just get these pieces like here, like that, and just do this, and keep doing that when you're done. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. You just keep doing this, just like do that, and then when you're done doing this, you're going to have a flower. So yeah, so I'm done with the flower and it's so cute. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the wall. So this is how it looks like on the wall. It's super cute. So guys, you can also make a white one. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys. And I hope you subscribe and like.